Hello, and welcome back. This is Pragati with you all with day 10 of my English learning journey. So, friends, many of people say without grammar, I cannot speak English, or we need to learn the grammar first, then we can start speaking. So, it's a myth. Yes, grammar is necessary, but grammar is not the starting point for speaking. First, please think about your mother tongue. Did you learn the rule first? Did someone teach voice, tenses, narration as a child? Of course not. In similar way, speaking English it's a language. It's not any maths formula which you need to learn every rules first, then you can apply only. So my dear friends, now come to the main question that do we really need deep grammar or basic grammar is enough to speaking? So basic grammar is enough to speaking, which includes structure of sentences, present, past, future tenses, subject, verb agreements. With this you can start your speaking. For example, I'm going to school, yesterday I go to office. Maybe it's not sound perfect, but people can understand you. In similar way, you can also start your speaking with basic grammars. Yes, is deep grammar is helpful. It sounds more professional. It helps you to speak more accurate. But my dear friends, it is not required on day one. It is necessary. It sounds more professionally. But what if you keep waiting to learn every rule? You will keep waiting, and of course this will decrease your confidence. So please don't demotivate yourself due to these grammars. These are just a step which you can improve yourself within which you can improve step by step, day by day. Please start with basic grammars. Speak for 2 to 5 minutes. Allow yourself to make mistake. This line very important, which I repeat in my every video. Don't feel embarrassment for such mistakes because these mistakes helps you to improve yourself. Slowly improve your grammar also, day by day, step by step. So with such, you can easily conclude that grammar is key for our minds only. It's not a basic step which we need to take while speaking. So don't be afraid for being judged. Don't wait for right time. The right time is now. Start wherever you are, because speaking is a skill, yes, which improves by practicing. Of course, many learners are here who knows every rule of grammar, but still they hesitate to speak. The reason is simple. Is that speaking is a skill which requires practice and which can improve only by making mistakes, which can improve only from improving that mistakes. So my dear friends, fluency comes from practice, not from perfection. No, and your goal is communication, not the perfection. With this line, I hope you understand my reason regarding this question, and if this helped you, please like. Otherwise, if you're having any thought, you can comment it. I read every comment. You know I read every comment because I reply. So this is for day 10, and I will see you. I will come again with such videos in my further practice sessions, practice videos. I will come forward. For so this is for day 10. I will come again with my further counting upcoming days. So the guys, keep going, keep learning. Start your journey wherever you are. Don't be demotivated. Please be happy, stay positive. Take care. Bye bye.